to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today I would like to present to you this luxury estate villa near Lagos. 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 248 meters on a very generous plot of over 1 hectare. Heated swimming pool, a beautiful tropical garden and a very private location. The location of this estate in a very beautiful countryside, and it's very tranquil. It is also 10 minutes away from Lagos, 10 minutes away from the nearest beach, Meia Praia, and Palmares golf courses. It's close to the restaurants and cafe, it's close to the international school, it is only 1 hour away from the Faro International Airport and 2.5 hours from Lisbon. And now let's talk about the property. The villa presents the main house and a guest house, and it has been completely renovated by the current owner. As you walk into the main house, it presents high ceiling, open concept, living, dining, and a fully equipped kitchen. With a laundry room, it presents an office. The villa has a primary bedroom with a huge walk-in closet. Also on this level there are 2 other bedrooms. The guest house presents 2-bedroom apartment, fully equipped with the kitchenette and the living room. There is a carport, there is a rooftop terrace, and the beauty of this property that all these structures, they exit to the outdoor living with a beautiful terrace and the barbecue. I would like to thank you for taking this video tour with us, and I invite you to check on all the luxury features this tranquil villa offers. This has been Cheers from a beautiful countryside, and I will see you on the next one.